Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Is the person you're playing darts with cheating? Well, if you suspect they are, you should definitely grab a dart mat, and this one from Target is perfect. It rolls out super lightweight, super easy. You can roll it up when not in use, and it works great. It's got the markings for both soft tip and steel tip dart lines, and it keeps all players in check, so you know they're not stepping too close to the dartboard before you play. Another benefit of having a dart mat is that it also protects both your darts and your floor from darts that miss the dartboard. So if you've got really nice darts and you don't want to ruin the tips and you're playing on a hard floor like we do, having a dart mat is awesome. We really love the non-skid backing on this dart mat because it doesn't slide around when you're using it. It's made from a super durable, tight weaved, lightweight material. We're really happy to have this dart mat in our kit. Keeps everybody honest, and it also protects our darts and the floor. We're really happy with this, and I think you will be too, but that's my point of view.